Ever wondered how to turn off the Gemini feature in the Google app? Let's dive into easy steps to do just that. First, open your Google app. Make sure you have the latest version for smooth performance. Next, locate the settings option. It usually appears in the profile menu, represented by your account picture. In Settings, scroll to find the Gemini feature. Tap on it to access the toggle switch. Finally, switch off the Gemini feature. You'll notice the change in your app functionality immediately. Whether for privacy or preference, disabling Gemini is a breeze. Enjoy a smoother browsing experience. We've covered how to turn off Gemini quickly and easily. Remember, your preferences matter. Feel free to explore other settings in the Google app for a customized experience. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more tips on using Google's features to your advantage. Stay tuned for more tech tips. Happy browsing! Until next time, keep exploring the digital world.